Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding XRP on Coinbase and want to move it to another wallet in 2025, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it easy and secure. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a Coinbase account set up with XRP in it. In 2025, Coinbase might have some updated interfaces, but the core steps remain straightforward. Start by logging into your Coinbase account using your email, phone, or whatever method you prefer. Once you're in, head over to the dashboard and find your XRP balance. It's usually listed under your Assets or Portfolio section. Next, click on your XRP to open the wallet details. Look for the Send or Transfer button. It's typically prominent and easy to spot. Before you proceed, double-check that you have the receiving wallet address ready. This is crucial because crypto transactions are irreversible, so accuracy is key. Now, enter the wallet address where you want to send your XRP. Be precise. Paste it carefully to avoid any typos. Then, input the amount of XRP you wish to transfer. Coinbase will show you the estimated fees, which in 2025 might be influenced by network congestion on the XRP ledger, so keep an eye on that. After that, review all the details: the address, amount, and fees. If everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for added security, which is a must in the evolving crypto world of 2025. Once confirmed, sit back and wait for the transaction to process. XRP transfers are usually fast, often under a minute, but it can vary. And just like that, your XRP is on its way. A quick tip: always use hardware wallets for long-term storage to keep your assets safe from hacks. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.